Over 1,800 days, that's how long it's been since the National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a blizzard warning. That's over 4 years, but I'm in it. Here in Sheboygan, just north of Milwaukee, a blizzard warning through the overnight and early morning hours. That is going to make travel even more treacherous than it's been. And we've been tracking this very powerful winter storm from Iowa through Illinois and into right here in southeastern Wisconsin, and it has been a very difficult day for drivers. Cars sliding off, semis as well, even jackknifing. One semi jackknife across Interstate 43 just right outside of town here in Sheboygan, closing the interstate down. It's kind of hard to believe that it has been so long since this part of the country has seen a winter storm quite like this blizzard-like wind and snow. But folks around here are definitely getting a reminder of what it's like. In Sheboygan, Wisconsin, for Weather and Radar, I'm Jonathan Petramala.